Hello. In this video, we'll try to understand the concept of a static class object in C++. So now I have a code here which I have written, and let me explain to you. So I have a class called as demo, and I have a constructor of the class and the destructor of the class, and I have written print statements to ensure that we know when the constructor or the destructor is invoked. And in the main function, I have a scope that is defined over here with the help of these flower brackets, and within that scope I'm creating an object of the demo class, and then after the end of that scope I have a print statement which tells me that we have reached the end of the main function. So now, in case you're not aware, let me explain that whenever an object of a class is created, or whenever we create an instance of a class, the constructor of that particular class is invoked. And whenever the object is destroyed, the destructor of that class will be invoked. So now, if you look at this particular logic over here from 21 to line 23, the scope of the object created over here is limited to this region. So that's why when this particular line is executed, the constructor will be invoked, and as soon as the scope ends, this particular object will be destroyed, and that's why the destructor will also be invoked. So let's try to understand this by executing the code. So if you notice the output, first the constructor is invoked, then the destructor is invoked, and then the statement over here which we have written end reached will is printed. So as soon as the scope ends here, the destructor is invoked, and then the end reached is printed. So I'll do a slight modification to this logic. What I'll do is I will mark this object as static, and now let me run once again after compiling. So this time, if you notice, the constructor is invoked, yes, but even though the scope has ended, the destructor is not called yet. The end reached statement is printed, and after the end reached statement, the destructor is invoked. So this is the significance of a static class object in C++, that if a particular object of a class is marked as static, then its lifetime is till the end of the program. It will not be destroyed before that. So that is why, if you notice, only after the end reached line has been printed, at the end of the program, the destructor is invoked. So this is the concept of a static class object in C++. I hope this helps. Please share your thought in the comment section. Thank you.